Hello, and welcome to the Felt Store YouTube channel. Today, we will be showing you how to cut thick felt by hand. We will be demonstrating on our 3mm designer felt and 1-inch thick industrial felt. To get started, you will need the following items: a sharp utility knife or rotary knife, a straight edge, a cutting board, and your piece of felt. We will use the rotary knife for our 3mm felt and utility knife for our industrial felt. However, in both instances, the utility knife will do the trick. To start, make sure to measure out your piece of felt so that you know what measurements to cut, and make little marks or a line for referencing. Once you're all set with your measurements mapped out, grab your straight edge or your utility knife, and all you have to do is gently score along the ruler until you get that nice straight cut. Next, let's do the same to our industrial felt. Take your ruler, place your measurements, and let's get ready to cut. For this, you're going to notice that we're using our sharp utility knife. We would recommend using this for thicker felts. Keep in mind that the thicker the felt, the more strokes you will have to do to complete the cut. Be very gentle with the felt. Rushing through the layers and forcing deep cuts with the blade will create a jagged edge and not a clean cut. Make sure that you're cutting all the way through. And there we go. We've cut all the way through our thick industrial felt. And there you have it. Nice clean cuts on your 3mm thick designer felt and your 1-inch thick industrial felt. We do not recommend that you use scissors or shears to cut thick felt, simply because it will warp the edges and you won't get that straight, clean cut edge that you desire. So that's how you cut thick felt. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel below for more tutorials, DIYs, and much more.